Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing the Nomad ADV top rack and the side carrier racks. This one, the side carrier rack from Nomad ADV, will be mounted on the side, and this one will be replaced as well. Top rack will be much smaller. Let's start with dismantling the old rack. And these straps are for the Lonerider bags. This rack did very well. I got this from eBay, but it's rusty. Here's a few of my little studio setup. Places where I need to work on are very dirty, so I'm going to clean them first. Now this is what came with the package. Some very solid packaging stuff right here. But these will make sure your rack will be lined out with the bike. These are the spacers. These are cut to bias, and these will make sure your rack will be perfectly lined out with the bike. This one will get in here, and the rack will be mounted to the other holes. What a great solution! You can get your hands on these parts as well. If you go to Google and you fill in nomadadv.com, you go to the website, click here, and then you can order this stuff. They are based in the Netherlands and the UK. I'll put the link of these parts in the description. Now these parts were I'm most excited about. The side carrier racks. The sun came out as well. It should be mounted like this. Alright, now we're gonna do the other side, and this time we're gonna do it quicker. If you don't really like the Pannier Racks for the KTM 890, this could be a great solution for you. I am very happy with the results. I will mount some bags as well. please go to the website, just look what they have. It's nice, trust me.